Ready, be ready, start. This special petition has been filed against the judgment and order dated 24th April 2008, passed in writ petition number 28 of 2006 by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, by which the writ petition against the order of dismissal of the petitioner's application and successive appeals under the Right to Information Act 2005 has been dismissed. Full stop. In the said petition, the direction was sought by the petitioner to the respondent number 1 to within bracket 1 provide information as asked by him while his application dated 15 November 2004 from the respondent number 4, a judicial officer, as for what reasons, the respondent number 4 had decided his miscellaneous appeal dishonestly. Full stop. New para. The facts and circumstances giving rise to this case are that the petitioner claimed to be in exclusive possession of the land in respect of which civil suit number 810 of 2000 was filed before additional civil judge Raga district, praying for prefectural injunction by Dr. Rao against the petitioner and another from entering into the suit land. Full stop. Application filed for interim relief in this said suit stood dismissed. Full stop. Being aggrieved, the plaintiff therein preferred CMA number 180 of 2000 and the same was also dismissed. Full stop. Two other suits were filed in respect of the same property, impleading the petitioner also as the defendant. Full stop. In one of the suits, that is OS number 875 within bracket 3 of 2003, the trial court granted temporary injunction against the petitioner. Full stop. Being aggrieved, petitioner preferred the CMA number 04 of 2003, which was dismissed by the appellate court. Respondent number 4, wide order dated 10th August 2004. Full stop. New para. Petitioner filed an application dated 15 November 2004 under Section 6 of the RTI Act before the Administrative Officer Assistant State Public Information Officer within bracket respondent number 1, seeking information to the queries mentioned therein. Full stop. This said application was rejected by the order dated 23rd November 2004 and an appeal against the said order was also dismissed by the order dated 20 January 2005. Full stop. Second appeal against the said order was also dismissed by the Andhra Pradesh State Information Commission by the order. Full stop. The petitioner challenged the said order before the High Court, seeking a direction to the respondent number 1 to furnish the required information immediately. Full stop. New para. The appellant was convicted by the trial court under Section 306 IPC on the allegation that his farm labor deceased committed suicide because of the harassment meted out to him by the appellant. Full stop. The prosecution case was that the appellant 2 days prior to the incident leveled an allegation of theft of ornaments against the deceased, that the appellant had also demanded from the deceased rupees 7,000 which was given to him as advance at the time when he was kept in employment. Full stop. The conviction was affirmed by the High Court. Full stop. In the instant appeal filed by the accused, it was contended for the appellant that the conviction of the appellant was unsustainable as no ingredients of section punishable under Section 306 IPC were made out. Full stop. Abatement involved a mental process of instigating a person or intentionally aiding a person in doing of a thing. Full stop. Without a positive act on the part of the accused to instigate or aid in committing suicide, conviction cannot be sustained. Full stop. New para. The intention of the legislature and the ratio of the cases decided by this court to clear that in order to convict a person under Section 306 IPC, there has to be a clear mens rea to commit the offense, full stop. It also requires an active act or direct act which led the deceased to commit suicide, seeing no option, and this act must have been intended to push the deceased into such a position that he committed suicide, full stop. In the instant case, the deceased was undoubtedly hypersensitive to ordinary discord and differences which happen in day-to-day life, full stop. Human sensitivity of each individual differs from the other, full stop. Different people behave differently in the same situation, full stop. In the light of the provisions of law and the settled legal position criticized by a series of judgment of this court, the conviction of the appellant cannot be sustained, full stop. The word suicide in itself is now where defined in the Indian Penal Code, however, its meaning and import is well known and requires no explanation, full stop. Sui means self and side means killing, thus implying an act of self-killing, full stop. In short, a person committing suicide must commit by himself, irrespective of the means employed by him in achieving his object of killing himself, full stop. Suicide by itself is not an offense under either English law or Indian criminal law, full stop. Thank you.